Hi, let's take a quick journey through the rich and fascinating history of Indian English literature. It all started during the British colonial rule, where Indian writers began blending Western literary forms with Indian themes. Pioneers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Toru Dutt paved the way with their reformist and poetic works. After independence, voices like R.K. Narayanan, Mulk Raj Anand, and Kamala Das captured the spirit of a new India. Global icons like Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, and Jhampa Lahiri brought Indian stories to the world stage. Today, Indian English literature continues to thrive, blending tradition with modernity. To dive deeper into Indian English literature, join our live sessions for CUET PG English Literature. We have been offering our expertise across India for past 18 years. To book a demo with our literary expert, Mrs. Preeti Mathur ma'am, call us.